I'm in the middle.
And you're a monkey. Suck.
You guys are the worst monkey in the middle ever. Zach just hugged your butt.
Oh, dude, I had the biggest wedgie. My underwear like rolled up and everything.
It's like a dog.
Just right there. I can't. And let's do fall for me.
You just belly flopped it. Boom. Oh my gosh, a tank.
I'm going over here, excuse me.
Ashley, you should play with us.
I'm gonna be the ref.
Roll, roll, roll.
Tammy, why don't you get like closer sort of, so it's easier for the child? Like sit on the floor.
Dude, why don't I roll up in my movable chair?
She's trying to make things difficult for me because she likes to hit me in the eye.
Oh, shut
Zach,
up.
can you get the ball?
Hate you.
Hate you more.
God, I'm gonna strangle you.
That was supposed to be an attack.
I blocked it. Counterattack.
Counter, counter, counter.
Ball attack.
Oh.
Yes, it's mine. I'm Jigsaw.
That sounded like Genesis.
To get the ball, you have to speak English. Oh! This game is for Americans only. In America.
I just had it.
Oh. Not for little Pablo.
Little Jose. I apologize in advance.
Can you just give me the ball?
I did googity her.
That's not the game.
I'll get it.
Speaking of games, I lost it.
God damn it! So did you, YouTube viewers.
Guys. What's your name?
Megan.
You
And Noodle.
Um,
You live with me.
That's not my name.
Yo quiero.
Yo quiero play the ball. Click, click, bloody click pancakes.
Yo quiero the ball.
how
Ricky, I don't
did
know.
You went under Ashley's butt.
It's sexier now.
No, I think it's more disgusting.
I'm open.
Right in the giant.
I'm in the chin.
Why do I hit you on that?
Because you're horrible.
Oh
my pants.
face.
You're hot. Zach.
Extreme cheddar.
What is extreme cheddar?
It's the funny one.
Oh.
I got it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
You
you're
pinch
gonna
my
be
head.
bubble. Get away from the boy.
I am the Meganator.
I too.
What? And I am the pollinator.
The pollinator.
My ball. My fire.
Oh, my toe! How did you know it was my weakness? Apparently balance is also.
Shut up. Gravity is your weakness. Old lady.
Fireball.
Oh, lady, you are.
I am awesome.
Over here.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
I'm open.
Alright.
Can I look at you doing the YMCA?
Fire.
I'm open.
Fireball.
Okay.
Field goal.
Ever. Die!
Fire. Fire. Fire.
Yahtzee! Yahtzee!
Gay.
I'm open.
Oh, Yahtzee!
Yahtzee! Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Someone needs to like throw
Just
a
have
bear
to
tie.
say please.
Freeze.
Don't put my jacket, but
Freeze.
Together.
That's her baby.
my baby.
She has
Oh
the
my god,
ball.
your boobs.
Oh my
When
god.
you bent over.
I'm going to go get it.
Abortion, abortion.
Lawsuit, lawsuit. I didn't want it.
Lawsuit, lawsuit. No, it's mine. That was my future plan.
Precious.
Lawsuit, lawsuit.
Wait, I need my third nut.
Okay.
Sexual
Here's your
harassment.
nut.
Lawsuit,
Here's your
lawsuit.
nut.
Thank you.
Stapler.
Okay.
Ryu from Street
Catch
Fighter.
school.
I'm sorry, Bill, but that paperwork was due
Squirrel is
today.
catching.
I told Bobby's going to Canada this week. I told him to bring me back a
My
black.
bills.
I want
Oh,
something.
my bills.
No, I
Everything
didn't.
Dylan said he's gonna bring me back 2 Mars bars.
Oh my God! Can he bring me back arrow bars? He has to buy me so many.
I want someone to bring back Yuri.
When's he down? When's he
Yeah.
down?
This weekend.
Oh my God!
Oh my god.
I must text him.
Oh, Papa.
Hey,
Oh. Oh.
we're gonna kill him.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Extreme!
That's right. Extreme beat.
Extreme hug!
Extreme. Oh.
Taken from behind.
That's my specialty.
Ashley does it.
Okay, I gotta get this out of my butt.
Ow.
Hey.
I love you, Zachary. I love you, Zachary.
Oh my God,
I
I'm
love
gonna
you,
take my
Zachary.
pants off.
I love you, Zachary. I love you, Zachary.
Look at this. This is unnatural. My underwear turned into a thong.
That happens to me all the time. With the undies I'm wearing now. It's so hot.
I'm just gonna leave it.
Are you okay?
We didn't even give him a chance to recover.
Oh my.
You hit me in the eye
Are you
2
okay?
times.
Come here.
Is that
Come here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can I kiss your eye?
Can someone tell me something? Is there a bruise on my elbow?
There's not.
That's heavy. It's like it hurts.
Fun. Fish paste.
No.
You watch this.
I will get it.
Go Hadouken! Hadouken!
Oh my god, Megan, I found this like little animated gift thingy on Photobucket. It's like an Asian dad and his baby, and the baby's sitting there like this, and the dad goes like this, and then does that, and the baby's just like.
Ow!
I need your butt. I need your butt.
Ow, my butt hurts so bad.
Ew.
Punch, punch, butt power. Ah!
Oh, so you guys just read the other day, and
What
all
was
I
I
was
gonna
like,
say?
oh.
What was I gonna say?
You weren't gonna say anything.
That attack that in Dragon Ball Z.
Kamehameha.
There you go.
Ow.
K word.
Kamehameha.
Mayhan.
Wait, I have to wait 3 days to charge this up. Hold on.
You're mine.
I missed the test.
I'm
Kamehameha.
Now hold that for 3 seasons, and we'll get back to you.
Hut, hut.
Hadouken! What if I hit you in the face?
Failure.
Failure!
I just let that happen.
Hit your face and balls.
Oh.
Don't pinch your neck. On your face.